Hello, in front of me I've got NFL 26. In this video I'll show you how to perform 40 dash grade in Superstar. In the beginning, we have to follow the tutorial as it goes. Start the drill by getting into the ready stance. You do it by pushing down LSRS. Release to start. Now run smoothly by alternating actions. Press L2 R2 repeatedly. Dig deep just before crossing the finish line to shave off time. Press X to do it. The expected results are 4.53 seconds to 4.97 seconds. Press continue. Hold LSRS. Release, and now press L2 R2. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.